Rainwater harvesting involves collecting and storing rainwater from rooftops, landscapes, or other surfaces for later use. But why should you harvest rainwater? Harvesting rainwater can help reduce your water bill by providing an alternative water source. It is also perfect for gardening and irrigation, as plants thrive on the soft, untreated quality of rainwater. Rainwater can also be used for flushing toilets, washing clothes, and cleaning surfaces. Overall, harvesting rainwater is a simple, efficient, and sustainable way to manage and conserve water. Now here's how to set up a rainwater harvesting system. Before you begin, check your local regulations first. Some areas have specific laws about rainwater harvesting, so it's important to ensure you're compliant. Step 1. Site assessment and planning. This step will determine the best location for your rainwater collection system. It involves assessing the roof or surface area available for collecting water, checking how much water you want to collect, and deciding the storage capacity you need. Next, choose the collection surface. Identify and prepare the collection surface, usually a roof. Make sure that it is suitable for collecting rainwater. Clean the roof and gutters to remove debris and potential contaminants. Step 3. Installation of gutters and downspouts. Install or upgrade gutters and downspouts to effectively direct water from the roof to the storage system. Check that the gutters are slightly tilted towards the downspouts for smooth water flow. Don't forget to install filters at the downspouts entrance to remove debris, leaves, and other particulates before the water reaches the storage tank. Next is setting up the rainwater storage tank. Choose a storage option such as a tank, rain barrel, or cistern based on capacity requirements and space availability. Then, install the storage tank either above or below ground, making sure that it is stable and level. Now, it's time to connect the downspouts to the storage. Use piping to connect the downspouts to the storage tank. Include a first flush diverter to discard the initial rainwater, which may carry more contaminants. Step 6. Installation of overflow and outlet systems. Consider having an overflow pipe to direct excess water away from the tank to prevent overflow. Fit an outlet pipe with a tap or pump depending on how the collected rainwater will be used. System testing comes next. Once installation is complete, test the system during the next rainfall to ensure everything is working properly. Check for leaks and make sure that water is effectively being collected and stored. Now that you have a rainwater storage system, maintenance planning is very crucial to implement. Develop a maintenance schedule to regularly clean and inspect the system. Regular maintenance will guarantee long-term reliability and water quality. Here is a rundown of the easy steps on how to collect rainwater. Take a screenshot and use it on your rainwater harvesting project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more industry insights and tutorials.